Alright, we're starting the Deep Creek Loop Trail, starting with Janki Creek Trail here. Gonna hit 3 waterfalls. We're over in by Bryson City, North Carolina, on the other side of the Smoky Mountains that we normally come to, as opposed to the Tennessee side. As you can see, it's springtime here. Beautiful weather in the 60s, high 60s, low 70s today. And you can see the green, lush green color of the park after a beautiful spring out here. And we have some dogwoods that are blooming. Past a little bit of their peak, but they're still here. And as you see, we're on the right track here. The falls are this way. Falls are this way, so we're gonna head that way. There's Mom and Rick ahead of me. And we are off on a beautiful day in the Smokies. Okay, we are approaching Janky Falls here. And they are a rushing. Lot of rain this spring, and obviously the melting of the snow and the higher elevations from the winter contributed. Also, of course, the beauty of the Smokies in the springtime is also all the beautiful wildflowers that show up. There's Rick and Mom. Mom's chilling out eating an apple, part of her celiac diet. Hey, Mom. Well, let him go. Thank y'all. Have a good one. Bye. There you go. Pretty. There you go. We're on the horse trail of Deep Creek Trail. There you go, as witnessed by the horses. Nice lady, nice gentleman. She said we're on the right track, Mom. Exactly. See? We got to see the horses. Yeah, we're good. It's all downhill from here, Mom. It's all downhill from here. Got some dogwoods coming up around the bend. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? She was drinking a Michelob Ultra too. I guess when there's a big flood, this thing right here will be rushing. But today it's just a trinkle. Well, you gotta let them smell you. Okay, after a little detour on the Deep Creek Horse Trail, which is over there, right, Mom? We are back on the right track, and we are heading to Indian Creek Waterfalls. What are these flowers? Wild geraniums right here. Springtime in the Smokies. Wouldn't be complete, of course, in the Smoky Mountains without a river running through it. And we got a nice little bridge coming up, and we have a nice little walk bridge coming up. A little bit muddy here, but luckily we come prepared. More wild geraniums. Trees got to dig in deep and hold on for dear life, especially in the wintertime. A lot of trees down due to ice and things like that. Lost a lot of trees this season, but hopefully that means there'll be more that'll be coming back. And more wild geraniums on the banks here. And here comes Mom and Rick. Alright, after much debate, we have finally found the right path again, and we are back at Indian Creek Falls, and we are about to check that out. are. We have Indian Creek Falls. Major water rushing right now. Feel the power and the coolness down by the riverbed. Okay, we are approaching the last fall here on the Deep Creek trail, consisting of 3 waterfalls. And it's been a beautiful day, and we also have the beautiful wildflowers are abundant